Hello students, continuing with the earlier video, here we will discuss about the result and conclusion part of our experiment titled Determination of Minimum Size of Quadrate by Species Area Curve Method. A point was selected randomly in the study area and a nail was fixed at that point. Another nail was fixed at about 100 cm from the first one and fixed a third nail at right angle to the second at the same distance. A string was passed through the three nails to make a figure of L, and by using the meter scale, firstly 20 cm was taken from the first nail, second, third and fourth nail from the equal distance from the first nail. Thus 100 cm square quadrate was formed. Then encountered the number of spaces occurring in that quadrate. Now double the quadrate size and counted the number of spaces with each additional spaces occur in the new quadrate encountered. Thus the increase in size of the quadrate was continued till the number of spaces of the quadrate was continued till the number of spaces encountered become constant. Additional spaces were found and recorded. The data was recorded in a table and a graph was drawn by putting the number of spaces on y-axis against the area of quadrate on x-axis. In our experiment, we have recorded the data of our field experiment in table 1. Here, quadrate A, we recorded 5 number of spaces. In quadrate B, having area 20 into 20 cm square, we recorded 8 number of spaces. Likewise, C, D, E, having area of 30 into 30 cm square, 40 into 40 cm square, 60 into 60 cm square respectively, and the number of spaces we recorded are 10, 14 and 14 respectively. By plotting the number of spaces along the y-axis and area of the quadrate along x-axis on a graph paper, a curve was obtained which tends to flatten at 60 into 60 cm square. This is the minimum area of quadrate in that plane community. So, examination is stopped in 60 into 60 cm square quadrate. Now the curve of the graph paper is known as the species area curve. From the above study, it was seen that there is a rapid increase in the number of spaces with the increase of the size of the quadrate, as the study showed the arrival of new additional spaces up to 40 into 40 cm square, and it indicates that the studied area was rich in various plant communities. From the experiment, it can be concluded that the minimum size of the quadrate in the study area is 60 into 60 cm square.